from Diabetes and Obesity Surgical Solutions, and welcome to Slim Bite Eat Right. Today we have Miss Archana Raidekar with us. Now Miss Archana Raidekar is a BSc Nutrition and an MSc in Dietetics. She has got more than 24 years of experience, including 12 years of hospital industry experience. She is a member of the Indian Diabetic Association and is a diabetic educator as well. She has special interest in epilepsy diet, and she has been writing for Times of India also. So let us welcome Miss Archana Raidekar.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm doing well. So what are we making today?
Today we are making oats vegetable balls.
Wow, I mean, any reason?
Yeah, because nowadays, as you know, the doctors are prescribing oats. And we all know that oats are good for reducing cholesterol for heart patients.
Yes.
But nowadays I have seen it is really good for diabetics also and for people who want to lose weight also, because it is very high in fiber. So, but one thing is there, we all Indians, because oats generally people take with milk and sugar.
Yes, exactly.
And we don't like that taste.
Yes.
So why not to, we like chatpata food. We Indians, we like to eat spicy food. So that is why I have thought, why not to make something chatpata oats balls using lots of nice colorful vegetables.
Seems to be a nice idea. Let's get started then.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
To make oats vegetable balls, we require oats, 1 cup. We require urad dal, which you have to soak for half an hour. Once the urad dal is soaked properly, make a nice paste of it and keep it aside. In this vegetable balls, you can add lots of vegetables. I have added different colors of capsicum, red, green and yellow, also carrots, also onion. Of course, you can add some more vegetables of your choice if you want to. Then you take green chilies, ginger and garlic. Using these masalas, you just make a fine paste of it and keep it ready. In this, you add some chopped coriander, definitely to make these balls will require some oil, and of course some salt to taste. Chalo, so let's make oats vegetable balls.
Yes.
Yeah. First, what we need to do is that we need to cook the oats. Okay. In very little water. Just see to it that you don't add more of water. Okay. Just can you just pass me?
Yeah.
Just little water. That's it.
Okay.
Because oats, they do not require more amount of water.
Yeah, because probably when I was a kid, we never had these oats, you know.
Yeah, because oats are not grown in our country.
Okay.
See, what you get is all, from European countries and all. And actually I was reading that day on oats and I saw that oats have been used, just more water.
Okay.
Can you just add it yourself?
Yes, no issues.
Just little, huh?
Just tell me
Yeah.
how much. Fine?
Little more.
Sorry for that.
No problem. Yeah, that's it. Okay. So I was just reading that day and I had just read, I was amazed. They have been using oats from last 2000 years, but not as a food.
Okay, then?
As a medicine.
Medicine, that's new to me.
Can you just see how it's getting cooked? It just takes not even a single minute. It just takes half a...
It's fast.
It's very fast. It's very easy to make. So the oats are cooked. Now we'll add all the other ingredients.
Okay.
Can I just keep this down?
Yes,
No problem. Okay. So we'll just add some vegetables to it. We have cut this capsicum. So we'll add few. We'll add some carrots. You can add other vegetables also. It's your choice. Whatever is available. You don't have to go out and buy different colors the capsicum. It's not like that at all. So just go on adding these vegetables. This is urad dal.
Okay. The paste which we made.
That we have made. So I'm just adding this also. Becomes a little sticky. Add coriander and salt. Yeah.
Okay. And what is the binding agent in this, you know?
Binding is mainly urad dal.
Urad dal, okay. So that is what
Yeah,
actually binds
yes,
this.
yes. And we'll add little ginger garlic paste.
Yeah, paste which.
Now this you can make as per your taste. You know, if you want to have really spicy ones, you add a little more.
Okay.
Okay, you want spicy? So I'll add a
I like spicy, yeah.
Okay, okay. Same here. So just either you mix it with hand or you just mix it with spoon. Actually, I think mixing with hand is always better.
Help me with that?
Yeah, surely, why not?
So this seems easy to cook.
Very, very easy. Even a kid also can make it. As you see, just only urad dal soaking and
Yeah, because one of the issues which we normally face nowadays is even when we have patients as a clinic, we don't have time. Time is a very big factor, you know.
Very big factor, very big factor. Especially in the mornings when they have to rush to the office hours. As a breakfast, we tell them as a dietitian, breakfast is very important. It's a very important meal of the day. And I tell you, if you have oats for breakfast, you feel full, you know, for quite some time. Because if you eat poha, upma, you need extra servings. But if you eat oats, that's enough for the day. And good for the diabetics also because the sugar levels are better with oats in the morning. So then later on also the control is much better for them.
Okay. Is this fine?
Yeah. You can add just salt. You can just taste and see if it's okay, or you can add a little more. Yeah. Salt is less.
I suppose so.
Yeah.
I'll add?
Yeah. Because I always add less because you know later on if you want you can add.
I know.
Otherwise it becomes so.
That is a blender, you know.
Yes. Then pour on another pani.
Pani mein.
Okay, so now our batter is ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to fry this because the recipe is like vegetable balls. But I have an idea.
Okay.
I'm using something to make this recipe. I have bought this. You know what it is?
Oh, what is this? This looks something like an idli kind of a...
It's a South Indian, you know, ticket name, appam. Have you heard about appam?
Yeah, I've heard appam.
If you go to Adeshwar, you will get appam.
Appam, I know.
Or you can make it, you know, many people do have it at home also. You can buy it if you don't have it.
Yes.
So we are going to make these balls using this as a, you know, to make them balls. You know, use it as a... And just little oil we are going to use for this. And we are going to make this on the gas.
Keep this on there?
This is what I have bought.
Okay.
You know, this is just a brush that you can use so that the oil amount can be controlled.
Exactly.
Because if you use spoon, even if you tell 1 spoon, you know, every household they have different sizes.
So they have different sizes.
This spoon is also quite big.
Okay.
So we can't really afford to have
This
so much of
big.
oil. Okay. So let this get little heated.
Some people like us when we put more of oil actually.
More of oil. So with this you can just brush it so that you can have it control.
Yeah, and somehow in Indian culture, I suppose, we tend to use more of oil, you know. We have this habit, we have this habit, you know. And that is getting to us nowadays actually.
And then the control is always not there because how much ever you tell the patients, it's always very difficult for them to manage.
It's very difficult, it's very difficult.
So just probably start, you know, putting little oil. So you can just I have just dipped it once and then I am just spreading it all over. Okay. To heat this appe patra, it takes little time. Okay. And now once you finish this, just go on adding. I think probably I'll require 1 more spoon.
Okay.
I'll just show you. It's very easy. You just need to be really careful with this. So let's just press this, you know. That's it.
Okay.
Just go on adding this batter. And oats also contains lots of minerals. So again,
it's something I suppose it's a very healthy option right now in the market.
Nowadays people are making different recipes. They're making upma, oats upma, oats dosa. You get cookies also, oats cookies in the market. So that is easy option like for mid-evening snacks.
And probably when you use oat in these kind of recipes, it becomes easy to eat.
Yes.
Because initially when even I used to...
If you will taste these recipes, you will never understand that oats are there in this.
Yeah, because that's a very big issue. You know, when I used to eat oats, I never liked the taste, you know, somehow. I stopped eating oats actually.
Yes. Probably after this, you will start eating. But you know, you get nowadays even those ready to eat breakfast options, oats masala and all. They are quite tasty. So that is the, you know, that is how I think even I don't like sweet recipes. I like salty and spicy recipes. So you can make something out of this. It is always good. Okay. Fine. So now probably we'll need to add little more oil so that it will not stick to this. Okay. Yeah. So just I'm adding little oil in the sides.
So it won't stick?
Yeah, so it won't stick. Even though I'm adding, you know, it's not really much. If you see it in spoons, probably I'm just dropping it. So probably you will think I'm adding more of it. I require 1 spoon or, okay. Can you just pass? That comes with appe powder.
It comes with that?
Yeah, with that. So this will take little time. It's too hot.
So how long do we cook this for?
Just 5 minutes. You can cover it, you know, actually. So that, shall I cover it? Yes, no problem. The oat vegetable balls are ready to serve now.
Yes.
Okay, in very few minutes, it just took. Can you just pass me that plate?
Yeah, sure. How do you do it?
I just put it here.
They're looking yummy.
It's looking yummy and it's very hot also. Only 6 for you, huh? That is 1 serving.
Okay.
But that is quite filling. So morning breakfast is ready.
It looks yummy.
And you can serve it with anything, you know, any like green chutney or tomato ketchup. Or with anything it will go. Any red chutney, whatever is available.
I can't wait. Can I taste it?
Surely, and please tell me how it is. But it's very hot, I mind you.
Sure. Actually good.
Really?
I know. You actually don't come to know you have oats in it.
Yes,
that's the best part.
Yeah, that's the best part. And because of that urad dal, it gives that lightness to the recipe also. Yes.
Really good, really good.
Yeah. Thank you.
Probably you should name them something else, you know what?
You can call them oats appe also. Appa.
Yes, oats appa. That's what
that
oats
can
appa.
also we can call. No problem.
Great.
Yes.
Beautiful. Actually. So guys, that was oats appam from the charming Archana Rairekar. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.